Okay, so look into this problem now. A rectangular plate of negligible thickness, sides 35 cross 20, has one of its shorter edges in VP, with that edge inclined at 40 degrees to HP. So draw the top view if its front view is a square of side 20 by 20 mm. So you can see that this problem is exactly the reverse of the previous problem what we have solved. Okay, so there in the top view it was looking like a rectangle of 30 cross 20. So here the front view is looking like a square of 20 mm. So now because he has said that in the front view it looks like a square of 20 mm, so it is a hint that we have to start the problem from front view, not from the top view. Then only we can get this square of 20 mm in the front view. So that is the only change here. So let me just solve this question quickly. So first XY line. So now because he has said that in the front view it looks like a square of 20 mm. So I'm presuming that I have to start the problem with front view, that is with VP. So now coming to the question, it's a rectangular plate of 35 cross 20 mm, has one of its shorter edges in VP. One of its shorter edge is in vertical plane. So he's trying to say that the lamina is resting on one of its shorter edges in VP. That is what he is trying to say. So it means that I have to draw the rectangle in such a way that the shorter edge 20 mm should rest on VP, because he says one of its shorter edges is in VP. So what I will do is I will draw the rectangle in such a way that 20 mm is on this side and 30 mm is on this side. So this is how the rectangular would look like.
So
And
35.
yeah, 35 cross 20, sorry. So line, so 20, 35, 20, and then 35. Okay, so this I'm going to project it for the front view. Okay, so the front view, sorry, the top view here, because I'm starting from the front view. So this will be the top view of the line, which will fall on the XY line. So let me name it, taking this as A, B, C, and D. Because, sorry, because this is front view, it would be A dash. The namings B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, so the top view would be here. So looking from the top to the observer, A would be visible, B will not be visible. So A is in the brackets B, and here D would be visible, and C will not be visible. So that is this, right? So this is the front view, a rectangular lamina of 20 by 35, and this is the top view. So now next case here says that the front view looks like a square of 20 mm. So basically I was supposed to do in the next position, I was supposed to start with the top view, but I don't know what is the inclination with VP. So that is why I have to start with the front view. In the front view it looks like a square of 20 mm. So I'll project the front view first, and from here I'll draw a square of 20 by 20. So that's the square of 20 mm sides. Okay, so then from here I will take line. Let me name it A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, so I'm going to project it for the top view now. So AB will come on the XY line because he says that one of the shorter edges is in VP. Now please look into the question here. He says has one of its shorter edges in VP. So that is the reason I drew 20 mm on this side and 35 mm like this. Now if in the question he states that the longer edge is in VP, then this rectangular you have to draw it in reverse way, such that 35 mm comes here and 20 mm comes here. So that in the second position top view, you get a longer edge resting on VP, not the smaller edge. But as per the question, currently it says the shorter edge. So henceforth, the shorter edge is 20 mm. So that is why you will get 20 mm on XY line, and the longer edge will be away from XY line. So that is how you will analyze whether you have to which side the shorter edge and which side the longer edge you have to draw. So this would be A, B. And make sure the namings should not cross the XY line because it's a top view naming. So keep it in the horizontal plane only. So this line I will just project some length extra. So whatever length is here, same length arc I have to cut here. So I know this is a 35 mm length. So I have to take center start end arc, and starting from here, I'll cut an arc of 35 mm length, 35. So that's the arc I have cut of length 35 mm because this top view measures 35 mm. So this I'll join it, right? So extra parts I will just trim it here. So these extra lines which are not required, I'll just trim it. So this is going to give me the inclination with respect to vertical plane, VP. Okay, because the projection is falling on HP, obviously the corresponding angle will be of VP, because I have told you that VP's inclination will be shown in HP and HP's inclination will be shown in VP. So the inclination is 55 degrees. That is what it says. Okay. Now coming to the final position, it says draw the top view. If its front view is a square of 20 mm, that is fine, we did. Yeah, the edge is inclined at 40 degrees to HP. Shorter edge which is in VP, that is inclined at 40 degrees to HP. So the shorter edge which is in VP is AB. So he's saying that AB is inclined at 40 degrees to HP, horizontal plane. So in the third position, as you can see, uh, can anybody tell me now in the third position from where should I start? Should I draw you from top view or front view?
Front view, sir.
Yeah, you will start from front view because I just as I told you, please remember if you are starting from front view, the sequence would be front view, top view, front view, then top view. That is how the sequence will go. If you are starting from top view, that is if you are starting from here HP, then top view, front view, top view, front view, like this, like sinusoidal wave. You please remember that there will be no confusion. So now I have to start with the front view such that the shorter edge A dash B dash is inclined at 40 degrees to HP. Okay. So this is VP, but here is what I'm going to show HP's inclination. So I'll select this square, just copy it. I'm just copying it so that I can directly rotate it to 40 degrees. Okay. So I'll just select this. Now the shorter edge which is in VP, the shorter edge which is in VP is AB. So I have to incline AB at 40 degrees to horizontal plane. So rotate, look into the rotate command. I'm fixing point B and rotating with respect to point A, or else you can do vice versa also. So first I will click on point B, then I'll click on reference, then again I'll click on point B, then I'll click on point A. So this inclination what I should get here should be 40 degrees, 40. So 40, enter. So it has been rotated to 40 degree. So you can see that C dash has just touched the line. So let me move it a little bit above. Just select it, keep the ortho on so that the angle is not disturbed. Use the move command from under modify tab. Just select the square, then click any one point and just move it a little bit above. So I have not disturbed the angle by keeping the ortho on. So if you measure this angle, this should be 40 degrees. Okay, so this is inclined at 40 degree. Then final projection, you just have to draw here. So AB will be on XY line. So A, B, CD would come from here. So this would be C, and this would be D. So now just join all the points, A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to back to A. So that becomes your final projections of the lamina. Okay, so naming it. So this would be B, A, C, and D. Okay, so this is how the solution you will get for the problem.